E, take a plank. Dude, this is awesome. Oh, that guy scared me, actually. Dude, he literally scared me. Can I nail it? How did it get stuck if there's no nail? Maybe we don't have that concept of, oh, he's in. Can I hit him? Oh, no, he's not in. Okay, sorry. Got ahead of myself there. No nails left. I need nails. Where's the nails? Oh my God, this is already fun. Dude. Was that an hour? I feel like it was an hour. No, it's probably more than that. Nails. Boom. Take nails. Okay. Hammer. It's cracking. You can see it cracking. Click to drive nail. Do. He's like nailing on the glass. Doesn't make sense, but whatever. It's still fun. Wait. Do I have to like... We are vibing a game in 60 minutes. Or at least that's the goal. We'll see how well that goes to plan. I've already got a prompt here. I'm gonna spit it into the mic, into Whisper right now, into ChatGPT, 5.6 soul high, and it's actually a prompt to make a prompt. So the idea is a barren cabin, dusty floors, 4 walls, 1 door, 3 windows, first person 3D modern graphics, web native, simple game loop where you have to hold off the hordes of zombies trying to break in for as long as you can. Real time, but you're limited by how many actions you can take based on how long it takes the attackers to get in, though. How much time you have until the attackers get in to an unguarded window or door varies. Things around boarding up entryways with a hammer and nails, hitting a zombie to repel them as they're reaching through the boards, craft some sort of zombie repellent and then use it for temporary relief at an entryway. First time players likely will die in the first wave because we don't want to hold their hands. We don't want tutorials. We don't even really want much of a HUD, actually. The more immersive, the better. And then you're going to spawn back in. And here's the kicker. Your main player is in a time loop. The character is in a time loop. And he gets up and he's all groggy. And he realizes that he has to do it again. And he says something like, not again. And that's a loop. It's a simple loop. But yeah, let's see. Where's AI today? How good is AI today? How good is Fable 5 going to be at making a 3D zombie survival game with an atmospheric cabin and sound effects to boot? We'll find out. Do not stop at planning, scaffolding, design doc, inspect the workspace, choose sensible technical decisions, implement the game, run it, test the complete gameplay loop, and fix major problems you find. Cool. It's going to use Three.js, like always, for my web 3D game. Plus the cabin with the 4 entryways, the 3 defensive mechanics, the breach sequence, and reset loop before adding anything optional. When forced to choose, prefer tactile interactions, readable danger, sound design, and complete replay loop over additional features. Playing from Claude. Not again. Build plan. Context. Greenfield build in the empty repo. Not again. The user supplied a complete design brief, or not again. I'm not going to repeat that. Technical decisions. They're going to use Vite. All right. They're going to use Vite, TypeScript, Three.js, plain TS, no framework. They scaffold it with NPM, Node, using a vanilla template. Sounds good to me. All assets procedural, like that. State render, separation, pure game state advanced at a fixed time step accumulator pattern. Yeah, sure. Persistent, best survival time in local storage. Yep. Architecture, that all looks fine to me. There's a main TS and a core and a world and a player folder. Entity systems, audio, UI. Sounds reasonable. Gameplay systems, spec to implementation. Entryway pressure, door plus 3 windows. It did the scaffold, project, core, modules, atmosphere, ready, cabin, shell. Now it's going to do build player view model. Okay, yeah. Clean type check and production build on the first pass. Time to run it and playtest in Chrome. Oh, okay, so it's actually trying to run it. Let's do it. Not again. Click to wake. That's the debug. He's blinking. Did you guys see the eyelids? It actually did it. Is there sound? can't be sound already. That'd be too fast. Look at that hand though. It's like Pinocchio, guys. I'm Pinocchio. I'm Pinocchio. The graphics. I was like, oh, I'm so worried. I mean, the hand's bad, and the zombie over there, but like, it made this table. It didn't just like go find it. This board. It textured this board. Coming in. How do I craft? Shift. Tab. That's pause. How do you normally craft in like Minecraft or something? Might not have crafting yet. B, breach, restart. Oh, they're flying in. They're like ghosts. Oh my god, that's creepy. They're like aliens. It works. We did it. Oh yeah, see? Hour 10 minutes. So we didn't do it in 60 minutes, but I was reading most of that time. It's not even done. I mean, like, it's still going, but that's pretty cool that you could do that. Can you make a zombie game in 60 minutes? Yeah. Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's gonna have sound already too. Hold on, I gotta restart. Like, that's actually creepy. Okay, he broke the glass. It sounded like change. Where's the hammer and the nails? I kind of like the jank though. Yeah, it doesn't look like it has like the bites yet. Like he's not actually biting me. He got it. Can I hit him? Oh, I can't hit him. Don't know how real this is. Yeah, 1 hour, 12 minutes. That means the coding part was definitely way under an hour when we did that playtest earlier. So you could definitely build this game in an hour and have it be, oh my god, you built that in an hour? Like, level of cool. Ever expected from this game made it in, and it only took an hour and 25 minutes and 19 seconds of baking for Claude to say, I'm done. It said, what was implemented? The cabin. 1 8x6 meters room with a door and 3 windows. Dusty plank floors, cot, workbench with vise, shelf, stove, table, rug, and a moonlit exterior with dead trees. Every texture is painted onto canvases in code, and every sound is DSP synthesized in web audio. Hammer impacts, pounding moans, glass breathing, wind and whispered, not again. 0 asset files fully offline. Real-time entryway pressure. 4 independent threat tracks driven by a seated wave director with staggered arrivals, tiring lulls, and pre-wave quiet. I think it's a placeholder. It did play a sound effect there, and it had the word on the screen, but I mean, I don't think I could have asked for much more. I mean, it's not even done. It could be better, but that's pretty sick. What do you guys think?